Hello beautiful people, how you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing perfectly fine. If this is the first time of watching my video, hi, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and if you do, don't forget to turn on your notification button so you will be notified whenever I'll be uploading a new video. For my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to make pink lip balm using 6 or 7 ingredients. Okay, so this pink lip balm is very good. You can sell this, you can use it for yourself. It's very effective and very good for the lip. It's going to moisturize your lip and give you that natural pink lip that you want. So guys, in making our pink lip balm, we'll be making use of Make Me White cream. This is going to be our base cream, and then we'll be making use of 2 carotene BSC. So we are making a very small quantity. We're making use of 2 of carotene BSC. Okay, this is very good. This is a lightening cream. Okay, so we're making use of 2, and then for our serum, we're making use of 2 serum, alpha arbutin and vitamin C serum. Now alpha arbutin is very good in lightening the skin. Is an intense lightening or whitening serum, and it moisturizes the lip as well. So this is very effective when making your pink lip balm. It will be better, or I would advise you use alpha arbutin serum instead of kojic serum or any other serum. But if you know that you've tried some other serums before and they work for you very well, then it's fine. Okay, so now you just this alpha arbutin and vitamin C serum. Vitamin C serum is very good for pink lip balm, and it will lighten your skin and give you that natural pink lip that natural pink lip. And also vitamin C serum is going to repair your lip. If you are the type that always have cracked lip, this is going to help your lip very well. So now this is a very thick texture. So when making your pink lip balm, if you know that you're not going to be making your base cream by yourself, it will be better to use a very thick serum, because by the time you end up adding in those serums into the cream, it's going to make it very light. So that is why it's advisable to make use of thick serum. Okay, so your pink lip balm can still have that good consistency. So now the next, our serum, our fragrance is going to be strawberry fragrance. We'll be making use of strawberry fragrance to give you that beautiful and nice smell. And then we make use of our pink color. This is full coloring, so make use of pink, and this is going to give you that pinkish color. So if you want to use beetroot powder, you can as well add into it. I've seen a lot of people using beetroot powder, and I don't know, I haven't tried it before, but this is my recipe. And I also have some other recipes that are very good, but I haven't tried the beetroot powder before. So now for our moisture, we'll be adding in shea butter. Okay, we'll be adding in just a little bit of shea butter to give it that soft and supple lip and make it moist. Okay, now here's our mixing bowl already sprayed with alcohol. So now next thing I'm going to do is to add in my put in my base cream. This is my base cream. Naturally, this Make Me White cream is always white. So guys, this is my Make Me White cream. Naturally, this cream is always white. It was white when I bought it, but I bought this cream about 2 months ago, and I opened it today. I discovered that it has changed color, but that doesn't mean that the product will not work. It will still work. Okay, it's always like that. You know, there are some lotions and some creams that are always like that, but that doesn't mean that it will not work. So we're going to be adding in 2 tablespoons, because I'm making a very small quantity. So I have to scoop everything out because I just have a little left inside, so I can't leave this one. Now next thing I'm going to add in is my carotene BLC. So I'm going to add in the full cup. So this is the second cup. So guys, next thing I'm going to add in is my shea butter. So I'll be scooping just a little. So that's okay. You can make use of Vaseline, the jelly one, the petroleum jelly Vaseline. You can make use of that if you have that available. So now, next thing I'm going to do is to stir before adding in the serum and the rest of the things. So for our serum, I'll be making use of vitamin E serum. So I'm going to add in just a little of this. Okay, let's say a teaspoon of your vitamin C serum. So for my alpha arbutin, I'll be adding in a little as well. Okay, so that's enough. So now I have my vitamin E capsule here. I didn't measure this earlier, so I'll be adding in 3 capsules of this. Vitamin C is good in repairing the skin, so this is going to help moisture live very well and make you have that soft and supple, soft and plump lip. Okay, so I'm making use of this. I'll be taking 3. So next thing I'm going to add in is my strawberry fragrance. So I'll be adding in just a little, let's say half a tablespoon, which is going to be a teaspoon. So next thing I'm going to do now is to stir. So I'm going to make sure that I stir this very well, and I will have a smell of it. If it's okay, then I don't need to add in more fragrance, but if it's not, I will have to add in a little. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to add in my food coloring. So you can decide to melt this in water, or you can decide to add in like that, but you have to make sure that you know what you are adding, so you're not going to add much. Okay, so I'm going to stir. That will be enough. Okay, so guys, here I have my pink lip balm. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and do not forget to share. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.